Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious jackfruit curry. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of young jackfruit, cut into manageable pieces. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 3 cloves of garlic. Don't forget your spices. 1 tablespoon of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric are key for authentic flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by boiling your jackfruit pieces for about 10 minutes. This helps them soften up. While that's happening, heat some oil in a pan and sauté your chopped onions until they become beautifully golden brown. Next, add your minced garlic and ginger, stirring for about 1 minute until their wonderful aroma fills your kitchen. It's time to build that incredible curry flavor. Stir in your curry powder, turmeric, and any other spices you love, cooking for about 30 seconds. Then, add your chopped tomatoes, letting them cook down until they form a soft, rich paste. Finally, pour in 1 cup of creamy coconut milk, bringing it to a gentle simmer for about 5 minutes to meld all those delicious tastes. For the grand finale, add your pre-boiled jackfruit pieces to the simmering curry sauce. Stir everything together gently, ensuring the jackfruit is well coated. Let it cook for about 15 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to fully meld and deepen. Serve your delicious jackfruit curry hot with rice or naan. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.